There's number one. Nice rainbow. All right, good morning here at Yankee Meadow this morning. So I was gonna go to Sand Hollow, and it's Friday morning, and it would have been crazy. It's Father's Day weekend, so I just worried I'd be fighting people and the heat and whatever. So I know I'll be fighting people up here as well, but you know, what are you gonna do? So anyways, I'm gonna fish here at Yankee Meadow until the people or the wind knock me off the lake. I've already got one nice rainbow to the boat. We'll just keep fishing and see what happens. All right, there he is. This is number two. This one doesn't feel quite as big. Oh, this is foul hooked. No, it's not. Nice little rainbow. We're gonna let him breathe a little bit. We'll let him breathe in the net before we let him go. Make sure he's... There he goes. That was a little stalker rainbow. All right, here's another one. All right, that's number three. I don't know if you saw that one, but that was a nice rainbow. They're definitely liking this little rainbow trout flicker shad. Matter of fact, I think I'm up to 3 or 4, and pretty sure I'm the only one on the lake that's caught anything, at least as far as I've seen.
How's it going?
Oh, pretty good.
Good, yeah. Nice out here today.
It is beautiful. You guys running into a few?
Yeah, we no matter where we've been, we've got a few here and there.
Nice.
You know?
Yeah.
It's pretty good. You catching some?
Yeah, I've caught a couple.
Yeah.
Oh, that's a good hit. That's a good hit. Lay down. Okay. Nice, big, thick. Nice. Beautiful. It's been a long stretch. The wind picked up and I think the fish went down a little bit. But I've seen them surfacing again, so I think they're back to the place where this shallow shad pick them up. Definitely not the biggest of the day, but not bad. Not a bad one. Nice little rainbow trout. We'll let him swim for a minute in the net. Make sure he's good. Okay, there he goes. Like I say, that's the first one for a minute. Wind picked up and I think it pushed the fish deeper. So I tried with a deeper one that I've got tied on my other rod, and I didn't pick anything up, and it wasn't the right pattern. I don't have another little rainbow trout flicker shad that goes deeper, so I'll have to pick those up for next time. But I've started to see them surfacing again, so I think they're back to being shallow, so maybe we'll pick some up. Plus, it's just getting later in the day, so like they're not going to be quite as active as they were this morning. But we'll keep going, see if we can catch. Things are starting to get super busy here. There's at least 10 other fishermen on the bank. No more boats, but lots of side-by-side traffic and whatnot, which is fine. I think it's just going to progressively get busier throughout the day, so we'll see how long my patience can make it. So I don't know, it's 10:30 right now in the morning. I kind of had planned on fishing until about noon. We'll see if I make it that long. There's one. Maybe he's still on. I think he let it go. Did he? I can't tell if he still has it or not. I think he still has it. Just swimming toward me. I'll get wrapped around my... Oh! It's a jumper. Guy's bleeding from the mouth pretty good, not from the gills, just from the mouth. But we'll let him swim for a second, make sure he's okay. Splash blood all over me though. It should be alright. What a mess.